start?
Pratap.
Tried a lot to, get me upgraded to business because he was entitled to a business fair and I wasn't. And he was not successful with his charm. So what he did, which really touched my heart, was that he downgraded himself to economy just to sit with me and chat with me for 2 hours.
अल्लाह ताला उनकी मुस्तकबिल को 4 चांद लगाए। हम उनका नाम अपने होठों से नहीं ले सकते।
He's one guy who's built the culture for the agency. Mudra Max, if people talk about culture at Mudra Max, all credit goes to one man, Pratap.
He really makes his colleagues feel like partners.
He's advertising Marathon. Pratap always spoke to us as if we are his old school friends, his buddies.
But the best thing that I like about you is the calmness that you have. No matter how much of turbulence we are into, what kind of issues that we have, clients may be going in, going out, coming in, get it over.
Let me ask you any questions. What is it, Jack? The guy is asking me questions, Jack.
I guess he's also got this tag called as the Iron Man of Mudra. Why? Because he always carries an iron with him.
Man of few words.
His belief in people and
Pratap's biggest strength.
It's his calm and composed demeanor.
It's not what he says, but what he does not say. That he's an invisible CEO.
Only his passion towards his what it is and protection towards his people.
एक हो तो बताओ, लाखों खूबियां है, ज़माना छोड़ दे हम उनके लिए।
Pratap's biggest strength.
He trusted managers like me 100%.
His biggest strength is his team.
I feel the biggest strength of Pratap is to infuse a lot of ambition and fighting spirit in his team.
It would be his ability to look ahead, his vision, his visionary mind.
कमजोरी? कैसी कमजोरी? माशाअल्लाह हट्टे कट्टे नौजवान है, चांद गवाह है, जब भी मिलते हैं लाल सुर्ख हो जाते हैं।
His weakness is also his team because he is too emotional and he always connects with them.
Good morning, Pratap.
Table tennis and pool.
I really agree with you.
Oh.
You catch him smoking downstairs, which might be helping him in these situations.
Walking here and there, highway, link road, subway, everywhere.
I don't think he knows what stress and pressure is.
Andy, tomorrow is the last date for award entries. I hope all the 50 entries are going this way. Okay.
वैसे तो उन जैसा कोई नहीं है, पर हमारे वो सलमान खान से कम नहीं। शायद आपने उनका ढींका चिका डांस नहीं देखा।
My favorite lion. You are a real Ajit.
I think Dhoni. You know, it's just the cool head that even Dhoni has, and you know the way he leads the team. I think Pratap is exactly the same, if not better.
Right, Martin Sorrell. Amrish Puri. Amrish Puri. Amrish Puri.
Why Amrish Puri?
Was good in rape at
Undoubtedly the Guru Dutt of advertising fraternity.
Babuji.
Someone like Gregory Peck.
I'm reminded of Om Prakash because facial features are quite similar.
You remind me of somebody which I will definitely tell you.
हाय अल्लाह, उनके बिना सब सूना सूना हो जाएगा। गुलिस्ता उनकी फूलों वाली कमीज को तरस जाएगा।
The number of pranks that we've pulled under Pratap's active leadership. We showed some people porn and told them, you know, they're being trained, and we showed porn to them in the office. And Pratap actually played that trick.
I'm gonna miss his floral shirts which he keeps on wearing on and off.
I would say that I've probably learned more in the last 5 years than I could have ever imagined in my entire career. How many CEOs are okay to have a TT table in our 2,500 square foot of space that is full of people, and we playing TT at about 12:31, 1:30, playing loud music. You know, usually CEOs say don't play or play after 6. Pratap used to join TT and of course also beat us in.
He gave you the freedom, and it was very easy for me to go and bunk in those 5+ years, but it was him and the responsibility which he bestowed on me kept me always on a watch and said, Andy, this guy trusts you, so don't even fuck around with him. But the minute that thing changed, today is the first day that I bunked office and watched him.
I don't think we should hire him. I think we should not let him go.
He's good. He knows it all. Been there, done that. Knows a few people by now. Got some contacts. Good at making phone calls.
Maybe we should hire him as a director, where everybody else says things in 35 mm. He sees in 70. Big picture.
Why do you think we should hire Pratap back?
सर एक मिनट, तो 3D आता है तेरे को? नहीं 2D तो आता है ना मेरे को। मेरे को 3D आता है सर। ऐसा ठीक है सर, मतलब फाड़ देंगे सर। मैं फाड़ लूंगा सर 3D में। टीम सर फाड़ देंगे सर।
तुम लोगों का इंटरव्यू नहीं हो रहा है।
And besides, there are so many good people to hire also, no?
Pratap set up the happiest agency of the year. I don't think I need to mention anything more.
मेरा अभी तक समझ नहीं पाया कि प्रताप को क्यों हायर करना है। मत करो, योर लॉस।
और ज्यादा नहीं बोला बस
एक और बार बोलना अबे रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ एक और बार बोलना
बोलो
हाँ
ऑल द बेस्ट प्रताप
So, what is the biggest
क्वेश्चन क्या था बस एक मिनट ये क्वेश्चन भूल गया
Hi Pratap, what's up, dude? I know you're thinking who I am, and I know you know who I am. Let's meet sometime, huh? All the best. Bye.